Cardano value equivalent to 11.738 rands a coin. The present cost range 11.111.6360. The earlier day close 11.40.365. The change was 0.627 to 55%. Opposite rate ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost cost at 11.16 rands. Exorbitant cost 13.86, while low cost 11.16. They found the middle value of cost 12.28. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 12.95, change for June 16%. Cardano gauge for July 2024. In the first place, cost at 12.95 rands. Exorbitant cost 15.76, while low cost 12.95. They found the middle value of cost 14.10. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 14.73, change for July 13.7%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2024. To start with, cost at 14.73 rands. Exorbitant cost 15.71, while low cost 13.65. They found the middle value of cost 14.69. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 14.68, change for August to 3%. Cardano gauge for September 2024. To start with, cost at 14.68 rands. Exorbitant cost 14.68, while low cost 12.02. They found the middle value of cost 13.58. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 12.93, change for September 11.9%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2024. Before all else, cost at 12.93 rands. Excessive cost 14.7, while low cost 12.23. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 13.10. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 13.15, change for October 1.7%. Cardano figure for November 2024. Before all else, cost at 13.15 rands. Excessive cost 14.30, while low cost 12.42. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 13.31. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 13.36, change for November 1.6%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2024. Initially cost at 13.36 rands. Excessive cost 14.58, while low cost 12.68. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 13.56. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 13.63, change for December 2%. Cardano figure for January 2025. Initially cost at 13.63 rands. Excessive cost 14.88, while low cost 12.94. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 13.84. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 13.91, change for January 1%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2025. At the outset, cost at 13.91 rands. Excessive cost 16.42, while low cost 13.91. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 14.90. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 15.35, change for February 10.4%. Cardano conjecture for WARC 2025. Before all else, cost at 15.35 rands. Excessive cost 15.62, while low cost 13.58. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 14.79. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 14.60, change for spring 4.9%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2025. First and foremost, cost at 14.60 rands. Exorbitant cost 18.13, while low cost 14.60. They found the middle value of cost 16.7. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 16.94, change for April 16%. Cardano estimate for May 2025. To start with, cost at 16.94 rands. Exorbitant cost 18.41, while low cost 16.01. They found the middle value of cost 17.14. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 17.21, change for May 1.6%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2025. At the outset, cost at 17.21 rands. Excessive cost 18.71, while low cost 16.27. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 17.42. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 17.49, change for June 1.6%. Cardano estimate for July 2025. To start with, cost at 17.49 rands. Exorbitant cost 17.63, while low cost 15.33. They found the middle value of cost 16.73. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 16.48, change for July 5.8%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2025. To start with, cost at 16.48 rands. Exorbitant cost 18.84, while low cost 15.86. They found the middle value of cost 1691. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 1705, change for August 35%. Cardano estimate for September 2025. First and foremost cost at 17.5 rands. Exorbitant cost 17.5, while low cost 14.11. They found the middle value of cost 15.85. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 15.17 to change for September 11%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2025. At the outset cost at 15.17 rands. Excessive cost 18.61, while low cost 15.17. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 16.59. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 17.39, change for October 14.6%. Cardano estimate for November 2025. To start with cost at 17.39 rands. Exorbitant cost 18.91, while low cost 16.43. They found the middle value of cost 17.60. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 17.67, change for November 16%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2025. To start with cost at 17.67 rands. Exorbitant cost 9.21, while low cost 16.69. They found the middle value of cost 17.88. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 17.95, change for December 16%. Cardano conjecture for January 2026. Before all else cost at 17.95 rands. Excessive cost 19.52, while low cost 16.96. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 18.17. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 18.84, change for January 16%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2026. Before all else cost at 18.84 rands. Exorbitant cost 21.69, while low cost 18.24. They found the middle value of cost 19.61. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 2027, change for February 1%. Cardano estimate for walk 2026. First and foremost cost at 2027 rands. Exorbitant cost 2027, while low cost 17.60. They found the middle value of cost 19.27. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 18.93, change for spring 6%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2026. In the first place cost at 18.93 rands. Exorbitant cost 20.58, while low cost 17.88. They found the middle value of cost 19.16. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 19.93, change for April 16%. Cardano gauge for May 2026. Before all else cost at 19.3 rands. Excessive cost 20.91, while low cost 18.17. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 19.46. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 19.54, change for May